Let us solve the following linear inequality. So we'll begin by using the fact that if A is less than or equals to B and we have another number C which is positive, then in that case if we multiply A with C and B with C, then the sign of our inequality is not going to change. That means AC is going to stay, AC is going to be less than or equals to BC. Using this fact, what we'll do, we'll multiply both sides with the number 3. 3 being a positive number, so that shouldn't change the sign of our inequality. So we have 3 times 5x plus 8 divided by 3. So here 3 and 3 cancels out. 3 times x minus 2 will be 3x minus 6. This is less than or equals to 5x plus 8. So we'll transpose negative 6 to the right hand side. So that gives us 5x plus 8 plus 6, and we'll transpose 5x to the left hand side. So we have 3x minus 5x, so that's less than or equals to 8 plus 6 is 14. Right. Now 3x minus 5x, that gives us negative 2x, which is less than or equals to 14. And next what we'll do, we'll use another fact that if our number A is less than or equals to B and we have another number C which is negative, so this time C is going to be less than 0. In that case, when we multiply A with C and B with C, then the sign of the inequality is going to change. To remember this, the best way would be, let's say if we have a number 3 which is less than 5, if we multiply both sides with negative 1, so we have negative 3 and negative 5, but we know that negative 3 is greater than negative 5. So here you can easily check out the sign of the inequality has changed. So we'll do the same thing here. So we'll multiply negative 2x with minus 1 and 14 with negative 1 as well. And this is going to change the sign from less than or equals to greater than or equals. So here we have 2x. This is greater than or equals to negative 14. Next, what we'll do, we'll divide both sides with 2 so as to get rid of the coefficient of x on the left hand side. So here, we'll use the condition that if A is greater than or equals to B and we have a value C which is greater than 0, then A over C is also going to be greater than or equals to B over C. So that means we have 2 and 2 cancelling out. X will be greater than or equals to negative 7, and this is going to be the solution to our inequality. Now we can express this result in a graphical way. So all we have to do is use the number line, and on that number line we take the value x equals to 0 and x equals to negative 7, and x greater than or equals to negative 7, it means we consider all the values of x which is lying to the right of x. Here x equals to negative 7 is also part of the solution, so I'll put a dot here. And one of the other way would be to write the solution in an interval form, which is also referred to as the solution set. So our solution starts from x equals to negative 7 and goes all the way up to positive infinity. So here positive infinity is unbounded, so we'll use an open interval. But x equals to negative 7 is a part of the solution, so we'll use a closed interval. So this is in a semi-closed interval form, and these are the 3 ways of representing our solution of the given linear inequality.